What's up, y'all? It's Mechanics Garage coming at you today. We got a 2016 Cadillac Escalade Premier, and the customer said that they needed a starter replace. So we had them try to start the car up. The car actually fired on the first run, and we had them pull it out. We took a look at some things. Notice they do have an oil leak, but we tried to fire it a second time, car won't start. So for these Escalades, you actually got to take this wheel well off first to get to the wires for the starter. You got a 13mm bolt on top, and then you got a plug that you got to pull out. And on this plug, it's got one of those stupid little clips. So we got to try to see if we can get this clip snapped off of here, because it's definitely a pain in the butt. Then the plug should pull out. All right, guys, we got the starter picked up from the store. Just understand, with this 2016 Escalade, there are actually two different starters. One is made by Mitsubishi, and I don't remember who the other one was made by.
So this one made by Mitsubishi.
Yeah, this one for this car, made by Mitsubishi. So here's the information, it's the part number and everything. It's been tested, and now we gotta try to limbo this bad boy back up in here, because we had to wiggle it just a little bit to get it out. Yeah. All right, guys, we got the new starter in here. You can see it right here in the back. Got the little cut back on. Make sure you reapply your bolt for your heat shield on the side. And we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick start and put everything back together. We'll be good to go. One more thing here. So on your plug here, there's this little red clip. If this thing snaps off on you, you can run a zip tie to the end of the plug and run it over here through the side, and then I'll get it in here securely. So we yanked on it a few times, make sure this thing wasn't coming off, and we are looking good. All right, everything's back together. We got her on the ground, and we're gonna hop on in, hit the key, do another start test. Fire it up. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it. Check us out on the next one. Follow us on Instagram at the Mechanics Garage. Like and subscribe here on YouTube. Tell your friends about us, and we'll check you out on the next one. Peace out.